question is a very deep one and a very deeply felt one. It's called, why am I connectionless and emotionless? Somebody asks, why do I feel connectionless and emotionless? Okay, so when you feel numb, it's because if you actually feel what you felt, then you would leave that situation. Okay, so people usually feel like this when they're in a bad relationship with their parents or their spouse or their boss or whatever. They're in a bad relationship where there's no respect and there's no kindness, there's nobody who cares, and you can't even relax. So you start to become numb to things. It's a stress response because it numbs the pain because you're in stress. All right. The only reason you're not getting out of there, correcting the situation, or generally taking charge of what's happening around you, the only reason you don't feel in charge and you're not feeling motivation and emotions, it's simply because there's a deep-rooted guilt inside you that's not allowing you to leave this place. Okay? Yeah, this is an insight nobody can give you, because that's the insight I got by studying karma. You always have a deep guilt. Everybody who comes to me who's not changing the situation has a deep guilt about them, makes them feel that they deserve this suffering. It is true. Look into your heart and understand. Look into your body and see where you're feeling this. What are you really feeling? You'll understand that it's guilt. That's why it's not leaving. And where is this guilt coming from? What have you done? Most times it's not even from this birth. It's coming from a previous birth. And that's what I find in my clients and patients who come to me with emotional problems. I find out why they are feeling this, why they're feeling this guilt. I teach them how to do it, okay? So if you do my program, I teach you how you can look into your karma and change it, not only for yourself, but for everybody around you. And the results have been phenomenal this week. My students have hit it out of the park. They've been like really, really sharp with their stuff. Somebody managed to get out of a dead-end engagement and they realized that the person really isn't satisfied with them. They wanted somebody else, but then they hear, and then he was able to accept that. Now he's very happy. And there's some people who really got over their chronic diseases, like from 20 years, 25 years, 10 years, somebody from 5 years, 2 years. People who've been suffering for years and years have gotten over their chronic disease without going to a doctor. How cool is that? Without leaving their home. I help them to get out of it. Me and my team of healers who I keep training. And so with using these karmic removal techniques to help people to get out of it, there is no other way. Please don't struggle. Just get in touch and I'll help you. If you're feeling emotionless and what is it? I cannot even remember these words. They just like slide off me because I don't know these emotions anymore. Connectionless and emotionless. Yeah, I do know them. I felt these things, but not anymore because now I teach people how to get out of it. So I can't be like that myself, right? So yes, we can definitely help you. The reason you're feeling this is just stress and that deep-rooted sense of guilt which you don't want to feel. And when you have something like that which you don't want to feel, you start to become numb. And once you get into that state, it's very hard to come out unless somebody wakes you up from that stage and then helps you to come out step by step. This is what we do in healing. This is what healing is, okay? Anybody who's feeling emotionless and connectionless is going to be very sick. If not anything, they're going to get obese because they're going to eat a lot to make up for connection. To try and feel better, they're going to eat a lot, or maybe they drink a lot. So they're going to be sick or obese is sick, okay? They're going to be sick and obese. Alright. So yes, why do I feel connectionless and emotionless? Alright, so I hope this was a satisfactory answer for you. If not, get in touch with me personally and I'll definitely help you. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe and also follow my page, and then click the bell icon so you get notifications all the time. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.